If you look at the people who are already in the 2%, here's what you find. 1% are rock stars, movie stars, and professional athletes. 5% are top sales leaders. 10% are doctors, lawyers, and bankers. Another 10% are high-level business executives. And 74% are regular people who own their own business.
The truth is, most of us will never be a rock star, a top sales leader, a doctor, or even a high-level business executive. But any of us can start our own business, and it's not as hard as you may think.
In fact, today, 96% of us want to own our own business and free ourselves from the grasp of the corporate world. Owning a business gives us a chance to have control over our lives. We can set our own hours, be our own boss, find true freedom.
To maximize your potential for success, here's what to look for in a good business or any good investment. Number 1, low risk. Number 2, high returns. Number 3, strong track record. Number 4, personal satisfaction.
But what type of business is best? Franchises are popular, but high risk because you need large amounts of money, in some cases up to $1 million, just to get started.
A storefront business, such as a retail shop or a restaurant, is also loaded with upfront costs, employee headaches, and monthly overhead. There is a type of business, though, that has all the characteristics of a good investment and makes it easy for anyone to get into quickly and inexpensively.
It's already a $25 billion sector of our economy that relies on people just like you.
It's called an independent distributorship, and it's the ideal business opportunity for anyone looking for a part or full-time business they can run from home.